Majority of upcoming YouTubers won't get monetized, not simply because their content is not original, but because they forget to understand this single YouTube monetization policy, which is copyrighted content. Yes, it's possible you create your content yourself, you film yourself, you didn't copy from anywhere, but at the end of the day, you will still be tagged for copyrighted content, especially for those persons that download music and use it in section of their video or some kind of setting sound. Some sounds or music have been copyrighted, and you need to be very, very careful. So I'm going to show you where you can get those sounds that won't affect your channel or your video, and you won't get copyright. These sounds are approved by YouTube. So let's check it out now. First, what you need to do is to go to YouTube Studio. That is studio.youtube.com. Now, from your dashboard, scroll down to where you see audio library. Now, in this audio library, you are going to see a lot of sounds that you can use for your channel, especially for those of you that are into faceless kind of content, because most of this faceless kind of content require you to use some kind of background sound to bring out the light in the video. So here you can get original sound that are not copyrighted, that you won't have problem with YouTube. But mind you, if you create a video using one of these YouTube original sounds and you take it to TikTok may flag you, or you take it to Facebook may flag you for copyrighted content. So all these platforms have their special policy, and you have to get acquainted to that. Like most of the video I post on my YouTube, I don't post it elsewhere. Some video I made especially for YouTube, while I made other videos special for Facebook and TikTok, because I know a lot of you will be like, let me post here, post same video here, post here. Yes, it's good, it saves time, but you have to be very careful of the policy. For more YouTube tutorials on how to grow your YouTube channel faster and get monetized in the right way, follow this channel, OCHE'S Tech, for more. Have a lovely day, guys.